If your body feels heavy, your spine stiff, and your energy dulled before the day even started, that's not just tiredness, that's stored tension, quietly draining you. Let's breathe, move, and reset from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. Start here, knees wide, big toes together, arms reaching forward. Let your forehead rest on the mat. This isn't just about stretching the back, it's about surrender. When your nervous system is overloaded, your spine tenses up as protection. This pose tells your body you're safe again. I promise 1 minute here can calm anxiety, lengthen the spine, and help your breathing reset. Beginners, use a block under your forehead or keep your knees closer. Advanced stretches, crawl your fingers further forward and sink your hips deeper. Did you know most people breathe into their chest, not their belly? That's why you still feel anxious after a deep breath. So take another one into your belly and stay here for 5 more seconds. That just grounded your breath. Now let's energize your spine. Come forward onto your belly, elbows under shoulders, palms down. Lift your chest, keep your hips heavy, gaze forward or slightly down. This is a gentle back bend, not just a stretch, but a signal to your body that it's time to rise. It undoes the slouching and curling we do all day, especially at the desk. I promise this opens your heart, strengthens your lower back, and helps posture realign naturally. Beginners, keep the chest low and shoulders relaxed. Advanced stretches, push into your forearms for a slightly deeper lift. Here's a catch. You don't need a dramatic pose for a dramatic shift. Stillness is its own strength. Breathe into your belly. You've got 5 seconds left. That just reawakened your spine. Now let's rotate and unlock the shoulders. Come to all fours, slide your right arm under your left armpit and across your body. Drop your head and shoulders to the mat. Left hand can reach forward or press down. This isn't just about your shoulder. It's your upper back, your breath, your ability to release control. I promise this move melts tension between your shoulder blades and calms the neck. Beginners, keep your hips stacked over your knees. Advanced stretches, press your left palm into the ground to deepen the twist. Can you feel the stretch behind your shoulder blade? Hold for 5 more seconds. Now switch. Left arm under, right arm reaching forward or pressing into the floor. You may notice one side feels tighter. That's normal. It's telling you where your stress lives. Stay with it. Breathe into the twist. Let your upper back soften. Still with me? You've got 5 seconds left. That just resets your upper spine. Let's engage your core and hips next. Come to a tall kneeling position, squeeze your glutes and hinge back slightly, then return upright. Keep your core tight and movement controlled. This might feel simple, but it builds the exact muscles that protect your lower back and stabilize your hips. I promise you'll walk stronger, sit taller, and feel more grounded in your body. Beginners, keep the movement small and arms at your sides. Advanced stretches, reach overhead and increase the range slightly. Did you know your hips are often more responsible for back pain than your spine itself? 5 more reps. Controlled. Breathe with it. That just switched on your glutes. Now let's smooth out that mobility. Still in kneeling, place your hands on your hips, start to draw half circles, forward, side, back, and around. Imagine you're tracing a shallow bowl beneath your body. This is coordination and control. It's low-key, but it teaches your hips how to move smoothly without gripping or bracing. I promise, you'll improve joint mobility, reduce stiffness, and build fluid control without strain. Beginners, keep the motion small and slow. Advanced stretches, go deeper and reverse the circles halfway through. Here's your final challenge. Can you stay present and not zone out? And let's play a little game. Reverse the direction right now. Hold your posture. Breathe deep 5 seconds. Stay tall. Stay smooth. You just release your spine, stabilize your hips, and reconnect it to your core, all in 5 minutes.